Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with my May Counterfeit Kit Challenge series, and today is day 14 and this is layout 14. Yes, I have run over. I was following along with Janet at RTS Scrapbooking over on Patreon. She did the collection cut up for National Scrapbook Day at the first part of May. And anyway, I was following along with my May Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit, and I've gotten to the end of the 12 layouts that she did. I did a bonus layout, and I still have tons of supplies, so I'm going to do another layout. So bonus layout 14 for me. So what I have pulled in, let me show you my background papers that I pulled in. I went through my stash and I just found this really old piece of paper. I don't know what it's from, y'all. If you know, leave a comment because I'd be interested. It's got the ABCs down the side. It looks like a notebook paper or a ledger paper that has flowers all over it. I want to say making memories, but I don't think that's right. Creative memories? No, I don't think that's right either. I don't remember the name of the company that this came from. It came in a little collection pack that I had. I remember that much, but that's it. And then I pulled in a craft sheet of paper. I believe this is a close to my heart craft sheet of paper. It is a 12 by 12. Then I pulled in, of course, all of my border strips. And I just grabbed them all. These are the ones that I had added in addition to, these are the pack that I added in. And so this is what I'm down to here. And then I have this whole collection of leftovers. These are the border strips from all the papers that I added in, and I have all different sizes of papers. I have several larger pieces with ones that I can cut apart here, as well as smaller ones if I want to punch things from. So anywho, I'm going to add in my butterfly bowl again. I'm going to add in a couple of different washi tapes, the blue and the brown. I'm going to add in enamel dots and flat back pearls and enamel hearts. I'm adding in these wood veneer houses. I pulled in some ephemera from my ephemera bowl and I'm dumping it everywhere. I have tickets. I have a 3x4 card. I have a journaling piece. I have pieces that I have previously stamped and fussy cut. I have this chipboard piece. I'm gonna try. I pulled in stickers and labels. I have the washi strips. I'm getting close to being done with a lot of things, so I want to see what I can incorporate. Butterflies, these stickers, these, and this alphabet, and I have one photo. It is a 5x7. I'm probably going to cut it down, but I've got it to pull in as well. And yeah, we'll see what I can create with this. So give me a few minutes and I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 14. Some of the things that I did not use, I had this little bicycle that I had previously stamped and fussy cut. I did not use that. These are some leftover tickets that I didn't use. The washi tape I didn't use, and then those little hearts there I did not use. Everything will go back into my stash because, believe it or not, I think I might have enough to do more pages. Sometimes you get rolling with a kit and you just don't want to stop, and that's kind of how I feel. I haven't killed a kit this hard in years. Or at least months, if nothing else. Anyway, on with what I did use. I did use this washi tape, the brown. I used my bowl of butterflies. I used 3 more from here. This was the cutoff from the background paper that I chose. I'm not going to save this only because my trimmer chomped it really hard, and I don't want to go through and mess with trying to salvage what's there. I have leftover border strips. I did use quite a few from here, as well as some other bits and pieces. Here's what I have left for paper that I pulled in from my scraps. I used my 2 bigger pieces. This was the stripe. I used it for the butterfly side. Oh, but there's another heart there. And so I cut a big circle out of it, and what I had left over on the corners I kept. And then this was my other largest piece, larger piece, and I used that to background my photos. So I'll save those. I used one of these wood veneer. I used the enamel hearts, the enamel dots, and the flat back pearls. So all of that got used. This label sheet, I did use one from there. Yeah, just one. No, two from this one. I used one here, and then there was one with stars that I used. This one, I used the last one from here. This sheet is done. Yay! Washi strips, I believe I used one from each page. I had a little partial green striped one here that I used, and then on this one I used a star, and that may have been it from this sheet. Yeah, that was it from this sheet. So I have one strip left on here and then multiples on here. I used 3 more of these stickers. I used the circle sticker from here. From here I used a piece of this sticker. I'm counting it, y'all. I used a piece of this sticker and the other tab, and a piece of this sticker. This is the alphabet font that I used, and here is my layout. Now this one is titled Everything, and then it's my favorite things about you, and everything. I might go back and put you are my everything, and then in my journaling just put some different stuff down here about my husband. Anywho, so you can see on this side I used, that was a random sticker from that page, a little piece of washi tape. I used one border strip from that package, and it had green on one side, brown on the other. I just flipped them, one upside, one downside. You can see that had the scalloped on it, and then on this side I put the scallop side down. That's a little scrap, a washi strip, a sticker, cut off, and washi tape. There's the round sticker, butterflies, a journal spot. There's those little green pieces that I told you I was hanging on to. There's pink right here, this pink label sticker. I put part of it here and part of it here. More scraps up here. That was one of the little bits of ephemera. There's part of the silver tab. There's the other part. Here is the label. On this side I used my tickets over here, and I finally used this chipboard piece. I stripped it down so it's not nearly as thick as what it started out with in the world. I put my enamel dots and flat back pearls there. I showed you the other part of that silver sticker. There is the heart that I added in, the camera, and a enamel dot. And then up here you can see I just cut these two pieces into a banner shape. I used that larger 6x6 piece of paper, and then the round the butterfly sheet with the stripes on the back I cut into a large circle, and I used an old circle template, and this is called Circle 1 from Creek Bank Creations. I've had this several times over, and my most recent one is from this company, Creek Bank Creations. I don't know, can y'all see that where it splits? It's got 4 little tabs here. My last one like this was made out of cardboard, and it only had the 2, so it broke there. So I like this one, and I've probably had this for, I'm gonna guess, at least 7 or 8 years, and I love using this one. It can cut circles up to 12 inches. So, anywho, this is layout number 14. It is done. And like I said, I think I want to try to make another layout. I'm going to check and see what supplies I have and what else I might throw together to create something else. So if I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. We'll see. One step at a time. And if I don't, that's okay. I'm good. I've created 14 layouts from this kit, and it was a larger kit for me, but I'm still surprised that I have gotten this many out of it. Anyway, I will have close-ups at the end. If you're interested in seeing the other layouts that I have made with this kit, make sure you can check out two sources: my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series on my channel, or playlists on my channel, or my May 2022 playlist on this channel. And both will have all the layouts that I have created with this kit. The May 2022 will also have the kit itself. I don't think I put that into the Counterfeit Kit Challenge playlist. Anyway, I appreciate you guys being here. I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.